Welcome to WoodWing Scienta. In this guide, we will introduce the export feature, which allows categories, subcategories, and individual articles from a Scienta environment to be exported to a Word document or as a zip file. Exporting content in Scienta is a useful feature that enhances flexibility and convenience for sharing, organizing, and backing up information. Keep in mind that this feature depends on the access rights assigned to each user. Exporting content in Scienta saves time by allowing multiple articles from selected categories or subcategories to be exported at once. The exported content can be shared with team members or external parties who lack direct access, making it useful for audits or external reviews. Additionally, exporting content creates a backup or archive, ensuring the information is preserved outside the platform for future reference. To begin exporting, navigate to the portal page or admin and click the Table of Contents button at the top. On the Table of Contents page, select the desired category by clicking the checkbox next to its name. To select a subcategory, click the drop-down arrow next to the main category to reveal the list of subcategories. Similarly, to export individual articles, click the drop-down arrow next to the subcategory name and make your selections. Once your selections are made, click the Export button at the top of the page. When exporting, it's possible to select a preferred template. While a default template is pre-selected, a customized design can be used if available. For guidance on setting up a custom export template, refer to the Set Export Template video. Additionally, choose whether to export the content as a Word document or a zip file. If exporting as a Word document, note that selecting multiple categories will compile all the articles into a single document. For more precise exports, it's advisable to select and export each category individually. Users can also enable optional settings to add a table of contents or page breaks to the export. Once the export is complete, the files will typically be available in the Downloads folder of the local PC. For zip file exports, unzip the file to access all exported articles from the selected categories and subcategories. It is also possible to export an Excel list from the list view. To do this, set your structure in list view and select the desired categories or articles. Please note that you will not receive any substantive content, but only the title and other associated data. Exporting content in Scienta is a straightforward and invaluable feature that supports collaboration, ensures data preservation, and facilitates seamless sharing of information. Whether for audits, external reviews, or simply creating backups, this functionality empowers users and admins to maintain efficient workflows. Thanks for watching.